Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store when it is not downloading apps. First, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. This clears temporary files that can block downloads. Right-click on the Start button and click on Run. A small run box will open. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A black window will appear for a few seconds. When it finishes, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Try downloading your app again. Next, we will check for system and store updates. Click Start, then go to Settings. Open Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer if asked. Now, we will repair the Microsoft Store app. Go to Start and open Settings. Click Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Store. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait for it to finish. If the problem is still there, click Reset. This will not remove Windows, but you may need to sign into the store again. Another important step is checking date, time, and region settings. Go to Settings, then Time and Language. Make sure the date and time are correct and set automatically. Also, check the region and confirm your country is correct. Wrong settings here can stop downloads. Finally, check your VPN, proxy, or antivirus software. If you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Also, disable any third-party antivirus or firewall for a short time. After following all these steps, the Microsoft Store should start downloading apps normally again. Thanks for watching.